You want to reel it in? Oh, I just let it go. Wait, no, there he is. Still on it. Oh, good cast, bro. Decent fish. Yeah. I would assume so. Yeah, it's another decent fish.
You see him yet?
Yep. Yep, it's another nice one. Not as big as the one yesterday.
Oh, a little feistier.
Another nice bass though. Golly. Look at that. Healthy one. It's probably about 4 pounds.
You want to measure him?
Oh, thanks, buddy. Dang it, now I'm gonna have like real wet jeans.
Oh, he got you good.
You got me good. What? How's that for another bass? What the frick? He played with it for a while. I was thinking it was gonna be a small one. Whew. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the little freshwater vignettes from the past couple days. Had fun, 2 nice bass, and yeah, it's nice doing something different, getting some different scenery. And thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.